Good morning and welcome to this month's Oakcrest Insight. I can't believe it's already September and I hope you had a great summer. In today's episode, I want to highlight quickly the 5 biggest storylines of the summer in Washington and the economy, as there has certainly been a lot for the media to cover the last 3 to 4 months. The first one is the economic boom in the US. Corporate profits are increasing, inflation is still contained, and unemployment is low. The fiscal and monetary stimuluses have spurred this boom for us, and the stock market has increased recently due to high earnings reports and this economic expansion. The second is a pragmatic Fed. When to raise interest rates and how quickly are issues the Fed is dealing with right now. The Fed has raised rates 2 times this year, as they said the economy is rising at a solid rate after their last increase in June. The forecast for continued rate increases has given investors economic optimism. The third one is trade wars. Now, this is probably the biggest storyline of the summer in 2018. Trump has been playing hardball on trade with China, the EU, Mexico, and Canada. Currently, it seems to be working, as a few are wanting to strike a deal. The one to continue to watch is the trade war with China. The US stock market has been slightly positive through the end of August, even with the current trade wars, as investors have focused more on the underlying fundamentals of the US economy. The fourth are the Trump defectors. Every week we continue to hear news stories on Michael Cohen, Robert Mueller. All of these people and these storylines, the media constantly headlines to see who will be the next person to cooperate with the feds. So that's number 4. The fifth and last is that I want to highlight this summer is North Korea. Now, this is something that doesn't seem to be going away very quickly, and North Korea doesn't seem to want to have a deal with the US. So this is a story that we're going to watch, as well as the media, and continue to monitor as we finish out the last few months of 2018. The bottom line with all this, the stock market has been increasing year to date due to high earnings and economic growth in the US. I hope this was informative for you today, and next month we'll discuss more on how what occurs in Washington the next couple of months could impact the next couple of years for investors. We look forward to seeing you next time on Oakcrest Insight.